Hey everyone, so this video is all about Smytten products unboxing haul. Yes, I have bought some wonderful products from the app Smytten and I have tried these trial packs. So I want to share my experience with you guys. So without any further wait, let's get started. So guys, here is the box that I have received from the Smytten app and you can see how it comes. So you can see here, loved your trial packs. So basically these are the trial packs that I have ordered and you can see the Smytten logo over here like this. So this is from the brand Smytten app I have ordered, and this is my second trial. I have already tried the first trial, so you can check that video on my channel. And you can also, if you want to place order with this brand Smytten, so if you want to know how to place a order with this brand, so you can check my first trial video on my channel, so you can get to know how to place a order with this brand. So let's unbox this box and let's see what are the products inside this box. I have placed a order with this brand, so let's unbox it and let's see. I will open it and you will get to know what are the products inside it. So you can see how it comes. They are delivering the products very safely. So guys, if you have doubt with this brand, then let me tell you that this brand is delivering the 100% genuine products to you and is already collaborating with the 1200 plus brands. So let's see what is inside this box. Let's open it. So I will show you one by one what I have ordered. So guys, on number 1 we have this Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. So you can see the packaging. This is basically travel friendly packaging that you can carry with yourself on your travels. So this is really good, and this cost for rupees around 150 rupees it cost. So here are all the instructions, and let me tell you that I have already tried all the variants of the Plum range perfume and mist. So those are really wonderful and I am highly recommending to you guys. You can buy them. So let's see, it comes like this in a spray kind of bottle, and I will spray here and let's see. Its fragrance is really amazing, very fruity kind of a smell it will gives you. So you can try this. So guys, on second number we have Sheer Secrets Vitamin C Day Lotion. So this is basically a lotion and this is a new brand. I haven't tried any products with this brand. So this is basically a moisturizing lotion and hydrating lotion. Here it is mentioned. So you can see all the instructions over here, and you can see the MRP of this product is 500 rupees. You can see here it is mentioned. So this is basically a lotion for your face, or you can try it on your hands. So let's see how it comes. I think I haven't opened this because I haven't tried this yet, because I wanted to try this product on this video, so that's why I haven't tried this. So let's open it. It will come like this, and you can see the consistency. This is in runny form. So basically this is a new brand for me, so that's why I haven't tried this on my face, but this is really moisturizing, what I can feel. This is really a good moisturizer, and also the fragrance is really mild, what I can feel. But I will definitely not be using this moisturizing lotion on my face because this is a new brand for me. Basically Smytten is delivering the trial pack, so that's why I ordered with this brands to try this. So you can also buy this. This is good. And let's see what is next. I have placed a order with. So next we have, on third number we have the Love Co night cream. Basically this is a night cream, and this night cream I haven't tried yet because I am currently using Aroma Magic night cream and also the Moundsco night cream. So I haven't tried this, but I placed a order with this night cream to give it a try. So you can also place a order with this brand, and you can see the instructions written over here. So you can try this. This is a bit less quantity, but you are getting this free trial, so you can try this also. This is basically night cream. I am not trying this because in night cream I am very concerned, and also I always use the night creams with a good brand. So guys, next I have this Sheer Secret lip and cheek tint, and this is how it comes. You can see the beautiful packaging, and this is in the shade soft rose pink, and this is a basically game changer for your cheeks. And you can see the price over here. This cost for rupees 590 rupees, you can see here. And let me tell you that I have already tried the lip and cheek tint with the other brand. This is here, let me show you. This is Just Herbs lip and cheek tint, and you can see the shade, beautiful shade. This is in the shade Pink Forever 06. So this is my beautiful favorite shade that I have tried in the trial one. So you can see the shade, how it comes. It comes like this. This is really a beautiful pink shade for your cheeks. And this is with the new brand. I haven't tried this brand, first time I am trying this lip and cheek tint. So this is how it comes. You can see the difference easily in this video. Let me show you both the lip and cheek together, so you can easily identify which one you should buy. So you can see the two shades over here. This is really a good shade. This is my favorite one, and this I have ordered to just try this shade. So let's see the swatch of both the lip and cheek tint on my hand. So firstly I will swatch this lip and cheek tint here, so you can see the shade, how it comes and how it blends. So this will give you a little pinkish and brownish vibes on your cheeks. You can see how it blends, and in my experience I have tried the Just Herbs lip and cheek tint, so I like that lip and cheek tint. Basically this is little light in shade. So let's swatch the another one, Just Herbs. Let's try it. And I am already using this lip and cheek tint, so you can see here I am using this lip and cheek tint, so you can see how it blends and how it comes. So I really love this shade. This is a basically beautiful shade, Pink Forever. So you can try this. This is how it comes and how it turns, so you can use it according to your uses. And if you are asking me which one I will recommend you, so definitely I will recommending you with this brand, Just Herbs. This is really good, and I think this cost for rupees 650 something around, and this I have already told you this is 590 rupees. So you can also try these lip and cheek tint on this app, and there are also some other shades, so you can also try them also. Let's see what I have next. So next I have this TWC lip lightening scrub, and this comes with the ingredients of beetroot, and here are all the instructions over this pack, so you can see. And this cost for rupees 249 rupees, you can see here. And you can see this is packed, and I haven't tried this scrub yet, so very soon I will be trying this scrub, and I will be share the experience in shorts, so you can check the shorts also. So this is the beetroot scrub that brings back your natural color. Your lips sometimes get dark and sometimes get dull, so this scrub helps in removing the dull and dryness on your lips and gives you a soft and pinky lips. So you can definitely try this product. I haven't used this product, but you can try these products because there are trial packs, so you have to order around 5 to 6 product on your trial points. So this is how it works. So let's see, here is one quote on this TWC scrub. So it's kiss back life into your dull and dry lips with this exfoliating scrub filled with the goodness of beetroot. So it has a very good ingredient, beetroot, that helps treating your lips and preventing your lips and gives you a pinky lips. So you can definitely try this. This is also highly recommended. I have tried the other scrub, lip scrub with the other brands. So here is the lip scrub with the range Good Vibes, and this is really a good scrub with the ingredients of lemon. So lemon is a very good ingredient that will treats your lips and gives you a glowing and smooth lips. So you can try this. And let's see, let me show you how much product I have already used. So this is the product, how it comes. So you can also try this, and you can place a order with this brand Good Vibes on Purple app. So you can try these lip scrub also. These are really good. So also there are some other variants available in this Good Vibes lip scrub, so you can also try them also, like strawberry, rose. These are the coconut, so you can try these scrub also. And always use the lip scrub before applying any lipstick or any lip kit. So guys, next I have this something interesting face wash, and this comes with the ingredients of neem. So if you have acne prone skin and oily skin, so you can definitely try this. And also this face wash comes in so many variants, so you can check that out. And this is, you can see, in the powder form. So you can see this face wash is in the powder form. And also this packaging reminds me the chemical lab in my school. So you can try this. This is really, I feel, I haven't tried this because you can see it's packed. So very soon I will be trying this face wash and I will share the experience in my shorts, so you can check. Next I have this Pilgrim sleeping mask. So you can see how it comes, and these are basically trial packs, so you can carry them in your traveling. So these are really good. You can see the MRP over here. Its MRP is 200 rupees, so you can try this. And this is also packed. I haven't tried this product yet, so very soon I will be trying this product also. Next we have this cute pouch, and this comes like this. Let's open it, and this is how it comes. So you can see the quality of this pouch. It is really good. You can carry some of your products in this when you are traveling. So this is also good. So you can also try these pouches on this app in different colors. So many different colors are available in this pouch, so you can try these pouches also. These products are highly recommended from my side, because some of the product I have tried and I really loved those products. And very soon I will be sharing my experience with the products that I haven't tried yet. So you have to wait for that, and you have to just subscribe to my channel and just press the bell button so that you don't miss any updates related to that videos that I will be sharing very soon. And this is it for today's video. So you can also try these Smytten products and also place a order with this brand. So guys, let's end this video, and let me tell you one thing. All the products I have shown in this video I bought in just 290 rupees. So you can also check these offers on Smytten app. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and I will be see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye guys. Stay healthy, stay rocking, keep loving. Love you all.